Hello friends, so today I would like to share you my another form, 套路. It is Shaolin cross fist, so always like this, cross fighting fist. Okay, let's start. I will one time show everything for this form. So I do some warming up. So the Shaolin cross-fighting fist is very easy, the most easy form that I practiced before. So we do not need to kick very high, we do not need to jump, we always stand. Okay, let's start. Start like this, and two hands begin to fist, and lift your elbow, and then step 3 times ahead. 1, 2, 3. Same time, make a movement, so raise your hands up, and then block your face to your chest and to your stomach here. Okay, I repeat again. Oh, sorry, I missed the movement. When I lift my 2 hands, my head should turn to left. And then I will make a block with my left hand. I will move to right and then up this. Okay, again. Okay, next I will move my right leg to right, and I will bend down, and at the same time my left hand will make a circle to back, and the right hand will punch ahead. Okay, I repeat again from beginning. Okay, again. And then I will make noise with my right leg and put my left leg to backward of my right leg. And then the 2 fists will cross in front of my stomach, and then I will raise. So this is block somebody who attack here. Block above, upward. So I repeat it again. This movement also block. Last time I showed you how to use it. And then I will make noise again with my right leg and step ahead with my left leg. At the same time, I will cross to this is a cross fighting fist, so always arms will cross here. Okay, I repeat again. Okay, let's start again. Block. And next movement, I will chop my right hand and I will block like this my left hand and wave back. Hey! So this way. And then I will make a circle. Big circle with the right hand. Make this movement. So. And then I will kick with my right leg. So kick very low, lower than the knee. Okay, let's say again. Okay, I start from the beginning. Look. Chop. Make circle. Kick. Okay, I repeat again. Oh, here, from here. So I show from back. Circle. Again, to back. From back. So I shoot this way also. Okay, I show this direction. So these are all movements that I will share you today, and tomorrow I will show you other movements. So I can show you, but I won't make any comments. Okay, I show all the movements slowly for this form, and then I'll stop this recording. Okay, observe me. Okay, this is the whole movement of my Shaolin grid. Oh, not Shaolin grid, Shaolin cross, always cross fighting fist. Okay, so I will cross to close my mobile phone. I will stop it, and thank you for today. I hope you like this episode, and I'll continue it tomorrow. So thank you, see you next time.